Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In our today's lecture, I'll be discussing about the people who has not started their career in the IT industry. There are many people they want to restart their career in the IT industry. They were working initially with the IT industry and then because of family responsibility, they stopped working and again they want to restart it. So it is possible, guys. I'm not saying that it's very easy, but I can say that in my training I have personally seen many people they have restarted their career with the IT industry very easily. Now if you take the example of programming language, I know that it is not a cup of tea for everyone to understand this programming. Like if you take the example of Python, Java, these are the technologies which are really booming in the market, but programming is skill set which cannot be understand within a single day. You cannot say that okay, today I'll take a course and tomorrow I'll understand the programming language. And because programming is something which is really creative job, every day you will get one new requirement and your mind should be really creative. The challenges will be there, definitely daily challenges will be there, and that too all the day you will see a different type of challenges. So I think that those people who have a career gap, these are the people who which are not coming from the IT background, especially from computer branch. For them programming is something which is little tough to start a career, but I'm not saying that it is not possible or something like that. It is possible. But if you are asking me the easy way to start the career in IT industry, what is the best field that you can choose? There are multiple administration jobs are there in the IT industry. Like if you take the example of Oracle DB only, Oracle DB does not require any type of coding language. If you are not comfortable with the programming like Java, C, C++, Python, .NET, Angular, it's okay. You don't need to learn all this technology for Oracle DB. Oracle DB required only two technology as a prerequisite, and that is SQL and Linux. Again, we are not expecting that you should have a very hands-on experience on the SQL and Linux. If you know the basic command of SQL and Linux, you can easily start your career as Oracle DB. So Oracle DB is the technology which you can think about it. Apparently there are different other technologies are there, like you can talk about the Linux, then Linux administration, network administration, then Citrix administration, O365, backup team. There are multiple technologies are there like this. These are the administration kind of job. In administration kind of job, you will have mostly a repetitive work, and since it is a repetitive work, you can see that it is a IT job. Okay, don't consider that it is not a IT job. So it is a IT job, and since it is little repetitive work, you will see the things which we already defined in the notebook. So you can start this career very easily. But if you try your career with the IT industry, and that too from programming kind of things or development track, then you will be finding some of the challenges. Again, I'm repeating, I'm not saying that it is not possible. It is possible, but it is possible and easy for the people who are coming from the IT, who are coming from the computer background. They can easily do that. So you can think about the administration kind of responsibilities, administration kind of technologies. There is something technologies like Power BI, you may have heard about it. Application support, many people are also starting their career as application support person also. Power BI is there, and many analytical skill kind of technologies are available inside the IT industry, which does not require any kind of the programming language. So this kind of technologies you can think about it, and that will be beneficial for you to kickstart your career with the IT industry. If you think that you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA, I can definitely help you with that. Many people's I have trained till now, more than, like, you can take in the count thousands of people I have trained till now. So I have a very good experience with the multiple organizations also, including your Cognizant, L&T, Infosys, then Wipro, a lot of organizations I have worked. And I have seen this companies very closely with my open eyes and how people are getting selected. And from my training, many people have already started their career into the IT industry. So if you want to kickstart your career with the IT industry from the Oracle DBA, you can reach out to me. We have online as well as offline classes available. Offline classroom training is available in Pune location. In Pune, we have a Wakad location is there. There, my classroom training is going on. So if you are coming from Pune location, join my offline class. If you are coming out of the Pune location, you can join my online class. You'll get the recordings. Everything will be available. I'm starting my new batch from 1st of October. It's completely real-time based training. You will have a lot of practicals. We have a support team available for you who will support in your troubleshooting, and continuous 5-star rating you can see everywhere. Thank you guys for your response. And recently we have completed our 12,000 plus Oracle DBA followers. So we are giving a training on not only Oracle DBA. If you want to kickstart your career with the IT industry from programming, I am also giving a training on Hadoop Spark. That is also one very good technology. And nowadays there is a very good demand in the market. So that way also I can really help you out. Apart from this, we have SQL, PL SQL training is there. And in future, you will see a lot of different trainings in the parallel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. And you will see a lot of free content over my YouTube channel. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.